Good morning, children. Now welcome to class number activity 2. Find the sum. We are getting three numbers. First one, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. First number is 4,235 plus 3,141 plus 321. You adding these three numbers. Now addition, subtraction, multiplication always comes from ones. Okay, that is that, keep in mind. Now here coming from one summa. In ones, first number is 5. This 5 is a, keep in your mind. 5 after 1. 5 plus 1 is a, you get 6. Again 6 plus 1, you get 7. Now should write here 7. Now next, coming to tens. In tens, first number is a 3. Now 3 is a, keep in mind. 3 after how many fingers? Next second number is a what, amma? 4. Second number is a 4. That is show on your fingers. 4. And this 3 is a, keep in mind. After counting, after in your mind. After here 3 is there with a 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 3 plus 4 is a 7. Still here one number is there. You adding to that 7. Okay. Now 7 is there. 7 is 7 after how many? 2. 7 after 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is a, you get 9. Now next coming to hundreds. In hundreds 2. 2 plus 1 is a 3. 3 plus 3. 3 after 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is a 6. Now next one coming to thousands. Now 4 plus 3. 4 is a, keep in mind. 4 after 3 fingers. 4 after what comes, amma? 4 after 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is a 7. You get what is our number? 7,697. Okay, one more problem, amma. First one 4,321. Now next 3,465. Now next 2,000. Here hundreds is a 0. You don't read that number. So 2,012. Now you are coming from ones. In your ones, the first number is a 1. 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is a, you get 6. So 6 is a, keep in mind, 6 after 2. 6 after 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is a 8. Now next, again here 6 plus 2 is a 8. Now 8 plus 1. Still here one number is there. So you are adding 8 to this one. So 8 plus 1 is a 9. 8 after 1, 9. Okay. Now next one, 3 plus 4. 3 is a, keep in mind. 3 is a, keep in mind. 3 after how much? 4. 3 after 4. 3 after what comes? 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is the 7. Now 7 plus 0 is a 7. Now again 3 plus 4 is a 7. 7 plus 2. 7 after 2. 7 after 8, 9. You get what is our number? 9,798. Please copy it, amma. One more bit is there. Now next bit, amma. Hey. Sorry for the disturbance, amma. getting in a row method, amma. This is arranged in columns and then add. Now what is our solution? First you are arranging this row in columns. So what is our number? 3231. Thousand, hundreds and tens and ones. Now on second number 234. You should write ones in ones, tens is tens. First you should write like this, amma. Ones, tens, hundreds and 1000. Okay. Now in ones first number is 1, tens is 3, hundreds is 2, thousands is 3. Now next ones is 4, tens is 3 and hundreds is 2. Here thousands is there? No. So you don't write the thousands. Now you will add this. Coming to ones, amma. So from ones, 1 plus 4. 4 after 1 finger. 4 after what comes? 5. Now next again tens. In our tens 3 plus 3. 3 is a keep in mind. 3 after 3. 3 after what comes? 3 after 4, 5, 6. So now next 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. How much? 4. Here nothing is there in our second number thousands. So 3. You should write 3. Please copy it, amma. The next problem. First we are arranging in column. First you write place values. You should write first place values. 10,000, hundreds and tens and ones. Now first number 1, 0, 2, 2. Now next 6, 3, 1, 1, 1000. Now next 2 ones, 0 tens and 1 ones. Here no thousands. Here no thousands are there. Okay. Now next 0 ones and 6 tens. Here hundreds and 10,000s are, sorry, hundreds and thousands are not there. Now you should add, amma. Coming from ones. Now 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. Now 7 plus 2, 8. Sorry, 7 plus 2 is 9. Sorry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Now 9 plus 0, 9. You get 9. 9 plus 0, you get 9. Okay. Now 0 plus 3. You have kept in your mind, amma, 0 that a number add chesina, that number is coming. Okay. 0 plus 3, 3. Now again 3 plus 0, 3. You get 3. Now next 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. You get 4. Here any hundreds are there? No. You should write 4. Now next coming to thousands, amma. In thousands only 2 numbers are there. That is 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. You get 3. Now what is our number? After adding 3499. Please copy it, amma. What is today homework? Activity 2. Look at this textbook, amma. This activity 2. Do in your textbook. This is your homework. What is your homework? Activity 2. Do in your textbook. And post it, amma. Do in your textbook and post it. Okay, children, thank you.